Say, Daddy, hello. Say, what have you been doing, Daddy? I had a good night. Sleep, Daddy. You gonna tell him? Say, I like to sleep, and I slept until like 7:30. Bless you. Say, you're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.